Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So the polar vortex has passed, and try to ride my bike in today. It's gonna be like 40 something today, 41. I don't know. Right now it's about 19. Wind chill's about 14. I'll pop the temp up on the screen here. I gotta drop off my rent. We'll come over here. We'll drop this off. You guys can see I got these heated gloves I was telling you about. We're gonna try these out today. See what happens. Oh. Okay. In the box. Alright. So I got these for 50 bucks on Amazon. These actually work pretty nice. I've been using them since I couldn't ride. It's too cold, too snowy. We'll get that out here. Anyways, I've been trying them while I've been out. And they seem to work pretty good. Like I said, they're 50 bucks. I'll leave a link. They got 3 heat modes. They heat up in about 3 seconds. So, this isn't too bad. I'm sure I'll be cold by the time I get to work. But, anyways, so you guys had a good weekend, and can't believe it's already February 6th. Man. We've been collecting parts for the CB 350 4-cylinder. That's a horn. The four cylinder, and we're just at this point. We've just been kind of waiting for it to warm up. We're gonna move it. So, you know, I can work on it. We'll get it. I think maybe we'll bring it over to the house first, and then over to the storage space. Either way, either we'll take it right over to the storage space or whatever. So, I'd like to start doing some stuff with it. Like I said, we got harnesses, and we got mirrors, and we got all sorts of stuff. So, and biggest news, I've been talking to a guy, Paul Kem. He's part of the Facebook group Honda Grom-Riders and Mods, and he's bought some stuff off of me here recently, and he came up with an idea. You know, he has an iPhone like I do, and he's like, hey, can you make like an Airtag holder for your bike? He's like, I've got mine shoved in a little bag and the side of my Grom, and I was like, yeah, let me see what I can come up with. So I came up with a 3D printed Airtag holder. It holds together with little stainless steel screws and nuts. You know, I love all that stuff. And and then we'll just stick some double stick tape on the back, and we'll be good to go. I got the design done. I've got some printed out. The screws came in just the other day, so we're ready to go. Man, my forehead's cold. So as soon as I print out another few, I'll post them up. Keep an eye out for those. You can always hit me up on Instagram, and I'm gonna put them up on eBay too. So, but yeah, you know, you guys that follow along, you're gonna get a discount. There'll be $10 for you guys, and then I'm gonna list them for $12 on eBay. So if you hit me up on Insta or whatever, they're $10 plus $8.75 shipping. You know, that's how I do it. That's that priority flat rate box. Oh man, it smells like a freaking skunk. Yikes. Mirrors are useless. And now I can't see. My glasses are fogging up. So far, this isn't. The roads are a little wet. I can tell they're a little moist. But yeah, we're just gonna be careful here. I can't really see out my mirror. That's close enough. So there we go. Glasses cleared up. So yeah, we're just on our way, and I'm still saving up some money. I guess the whole point of that was, oh, and my panel washer orders, I got a few more here. They kind of dropped off for the winter here, but got a few more orders. We're trying to save some money. I'm still trying to buy that 1974 Honda CB354. I hope it's still, you know, I get some money at tax time, and that'll be enough. I think I got like $1,200, $1,300 saved. I need $2K. So, but we'll be able to do it. Hopefully this guy still has it when I'm ready to buy it. So I was considering putting the Grom back up. You know, it like I said, it's been getting cold, and yeah, beep beep, Richie. I don't know what that's all about. I can't even see who was honking. I can't even see. So anyways, you know, one way or another, we'll get it. I was gonna put this up, but oh, fuck this. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna start getting a little bit warmer. I know well, talks to Tony Phil, I think he's dead, but his replacement, maybe the second, I don't know. He saw a shadow, so you know what they say, 8 more weeks of winter, or 6 more weeks or whatever, you know. It's going to be cold still for a while, but it's definitely warming up, so, you know, this ain't too bad. These gloves are working pretty good. Definitely staying heated up in the fingers and the top of the fingers. My thumbs not so much, but, you know, that's alright. So, whew. Anywho, got some, for those of you that enjoy some of the electronic projects I do, I got a couple little bit more electronic kits coming. We'll work on those maybe this week. I think they're coming today. One's a Tesla coil. What the fuck? Yeah, it definitely shouldn't be parked there. And the other one is seems like a Simon Says kit. Not Simon Says, what is that? What Simon Says? Simon? I don't know. You know, the thing with the 4 colors that you push on? Fallen Order. I wish I could remember. Anyway, so that looked kind of neat. But we'll definitely go ahead and we'll pull that out. We'll build it, and you know, maybe I'll give this stuff away. But it's going to be only to people here in the States. I really don't want to. 5-0. Oh yeah. I really don't want to be shipping international. So, but yeah, that, you know, I'll let you guys know as soon as that video's coming out, and we'll kind of do the same thing. You know, we'll leave a comment, and then I'll use that random comment picker, and we'll give it away. So, and this time we can use my new we'll use my new pine sill soldering iron that I got modded already. We'll use that. That'll be fun. So, whew. Tops of my legs are cold. Ah, shit, did I miss the light? I think I missed the light. So, it's Long John's. I can't feel the tops of my legs. That's alright. You don't need to feel those anyways. Oh man, pull up a little bit more here. Subi. Oh man. So yeah, you know, you watch everybody on YouTube and they're everybody's hibernating for the winter. One of the guys I watch, Chirpatoni, he's doing a lot of mukbang stuff. It's funny, you know, that's where you just like eat a shit ton, you know. So, but yeah, it's been, you know, I guess winter's kind of a slow month, you know, slow season. I don't know, that's why I just want to get out and ride, bring you guys some winter content, watch me freeze my ass off. It's not that bad, it's fine, it'll be fine. So yeah, these gloves are pretty decent. The only thing that's getting cold is my thumb. Oh, what's this crap? These people sitting in front of the gate here, you know, they're not supposed to do that. Not supposed to do that. Wish they wouldn't do that. It's super annoying. What would I do if I was in my car? I wouldn't be able to get around them. This gate doesn't open till 6, right? So trucks are stuck here until 6, until the security comes along. Anywho, let's turn on our lights. Okay. So, oh, fog. Man, there's a lot of fog. I did see on the phone it said there was fog. This is the one place you'll find fog in the area if there's going to be some. It's like a really low-lying area here in Fermilab. You really can't see much. We'll have to be pretty careful. I don't want no fucking deer jumping out on me. Easy into the turns. My buddy Rick, him and his brother just went out and John bought a new Yamaha something 700. Sorry John, sorry Rick. I don't something. I don't know. It's a cool bike. It's one of those. I think it's like a, what do you call those, dual sport something. So that looks like that'll be an awful lot of fun. What the heck is that? See that? What is that? It's like two lights in the sky. Is that a plane? What the fuck is that? What the? I really don't know what that is. It's just hovering. What the hell? That's weird. Anyways, aliens, maybe. So, anyways, he got it. I think it was, he said it was 7 degrees. He was riding around the parking lot. I'm like, oh, that's not too bad. But congratulations to John. That thing looks awesome. I'm sure you guys had a lot of fun. You and Rick can go cruise around together on those things, tear it up. You know, they're definitely going to be a little faster than the Grom. So, woo, man, my legs are starting to tingle. The tops of my legs. Good thing it's going to be. The only reason I'm doing this is going to be because it's going to be warm later. This is the only thing that sucks about the weather like this is it's like 20 degrees colder usually in the morning. Huh. Anyways, so we're almost here, so you know what that means. We're about done. I bet you I'm the first one here. That's the way I like it. So we'll see you guys in the next one. And like I said, for those of you guys that like to see me put electronic projects together, one of those will be coming soon, maybe this week. So we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, these gloves working out great. I Hands stayed nice and warm the whole way. We'll see you.